Hello and welcome to my channel. If you ever wondered what to do with a can of artichokes, then give this recipe a try. It's the perfect introduction to these great ingredients. After washing the potatoes, steam or boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. The cooking time varies depending on the method you use and the size of the potatoes. In the meantime, preheat the oven. For this recipe, I'm using ready rolled puff pastry, and I will now show you how to adapt it to a round dish. First, unroll the pastry with the baking paper provided over the base of a 26 cm tart dish. Then, cut the excess of pastry hanging out from one of the sides and place the remaining paper on the empty side of the dish. Slightly overlap the cut side of the pastry strip to the pastry on the dish, and with dampened fingers, lightly press the two sides together all along the joint. The water will enable the pastry to bind together without breaking in the oven. Continue patching the base in this way until it covers all the dish. Adjust the position of the pastry, cut any excess all around the dish, but leave some extra pastry hanging over the rim. Then, prick the base all over with a fork and blind bake for about 7 minutes in the middle of the oven. Remove the dish from the oven, and if the center of the pastry has risen too much, use the base of a fork to slightly flatten the surface. In the meantime, check if the potatoes are cooked. Pierce one with a fork, and if it slides easily to the center, they're done. Remove from the pan or steamer and let them cool for a few minutes. Now, prepare the ingredients for the tart. Peel the potatoes with the help of a fork and cut them into even slices. The artichokes in half, and then each half into 3 bits, and the ghost cheese log into slices. Then, whisk 4 free-range eggs in a bowl. Stir in 200 ml of soya single cream. Season with salt and freshly ground pepper. Add some thyme leaves and chives, and combine everything well. Taste and adjust seasoning if necessary. Spread the base of the tart with the sliced potatoes and scatter the artichokes and ghost cheese on top. Pour the egg mixture, making sure that the liquid is spread out evenly. Put the tart in the middle of the oven and cook for about 40 minutes or until set and golden brown. When the tart is cooked, let it settle for about 10 minutes before slicing, and if you wish to remove it from the dish, let it cool for a little more time. Serve warm or at room temperature with the green salad. Hope you enjoy, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tasty vegetarian and vegan recipes.